To curb the damaging effects of mining operations in the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, the federal government has stressed the need to enshrine the Community Development Agreement Act. The representative of the Minister of Mines and Steel Development, who is a Director of Mines Environmental Compliance, Okono Vivian, made this known at the town hall meeting between the original inhabitants of the FCT and mining operators on Thursday in Abuja. She stated that the mining companies have some obligations to protect and improve the welfare of the community after extracting minerals of economic value. The executive director of the Center for Transparency Advocacy, Faith Nwadishi, advocated contract transparency using the community development agreements to promote the cultural values and environmental rights of the original inhabitants of FCT.
It is therefore premised on the assumption that because the firm is a creation of society, it has a responsibility to accompany societal goals through the allocation of resources for social development. CDA is a community development agreement in the mining sector is to ensure that the mining host communities are carried along by the mining operators. That is why federal government thought it wise to enshrine the CDA in the Nigerian Minerals and Mining Act 2007. Section 1161 of the law makes CDA between the mineral title holders and the mining communities mandatory.
The Center for Transparency Advocacy on this project, supported by MacArthur Foundation through the Resource Center for Human Rights and Civic Education, CRISED, is advocating for contract transparency using the community development agreements to promote the cultural rights and environmental rights of the original inhabitants of the FCT. Nigeria, being an extractive industry transparency initiative implementing country through NATI, made commitments to implementing contract transparency in the extractive sector and is the chair of the Global Committee on Contract Transparency. C3A, through this project, have amplified and will continue to amplify the voices of the original inhabitants of Abuja, demanding best environmental practices by mining companies in line with project objectives 2 and 3, which are 1,